This is Eric Moore with Mother.com in the pre-market action for May 8th, 2019. Market has about an hour and a half to open here. So early on in the trading, let's take a look here at 3M, and I'm going to draw a line connecting recent RSI lows. And we can see that it looks like we are starting to show signs of cracking below this line. And this should have long-term multi-month ramifications. In other words, this might suggest the beginning of a slide, and pretty much what that might suggest is that we might break this area of sideways action that we've been holding over the last 12 months or so. So in other words, another way of saying that there's a good likelihood here at this rate that the pressure and the market looks like it is pointing towards a move lower. The reason why I say that is we had a similar multi-year RSI trendline break here in early 2008, and even at that point, that break did suggest that there was a good likelihood that prices would drift lower, which is exactly what happened in 2008 into early 2009. So right now we can see that unless we find immediate support here, the risk continues to be that we might have to see this move substantially lower from current price levels. Now what is interesting here is if you take this line here and extend it out, something like that, we get an interesting perspective. We move above the red line here, and the stock has a chance of moving higher from this level. We go below the line and back above it with the uniform action. This was a recovery area. We bounce on the line here for the lows of late 2015. And then recently, as of 2018, we broke below this level, which is here. And this has turned into resistance again about over the last 12 months or so. So if you combine the RSI resistance here and the fact that now we seem to be breaking a long-term trend line, a primary trend line, this becomes more of a risk situation unless there is immediate support. Chances are if this can slide, it would be for a big pullback, if not a strong bear market move to the downside. So of course, caution whenever you see these types of break. This is Eric Moore with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-S-E-S. Yes.